Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Advice to Think Twice. My name is Monica and I'm here with your daily advice reading for May 2nd, 2016. So we're looking at the general energies, the main energies that surround us at this time, what we need to know about these energies and how we can use them for our highest good. Therefore, this reading is for everybody watching and it will affect us in different ways, okay? Because again, we're looking at the energies that are surrounding us at this time and they will be manifesting differently for each and every one of us, okay? So keep an open mind and try to take away the messages that resonate with you, that ring a bell, that make sense to you, and apply them to your particular situation, okay? So first card we have, before I forget, I'm doing the video now, which now is Friday. I'm doing the video now because I'm traveling this weekend and I'm not going to be back until Tuesday evening, so I wanted to have this up for you guys so that you have the daily advice message for Monday, okay? So that's why I'm going to be posting, well, I am posting this video a lot earlier than I would. So hopefully you have it when you want to go in and check what the message is for Monday, you find it there and everything's okay. So first card we have the Five of Swords, and this is the influence of the past on our current situation. So what in our past is either manifesting for us now or influencing the situation that we are in now, okay? And with the Five of Swords in this particular deck, the Five of Swords talks about strength and empowerment. The Five of Swords talks about having been through the fire. Okay, we have been through the fire. You see him standing tall. All those swords are his lessons. All those swords are personal victories, winning battles and winning wars, okay? And by that I mean any kind of obstacles, any kind of difficulties, anything that held us back, anything that gave us grief, that we've had to struggle with, that we've really had to put in the effort to keep ourselves going, okay? And that is what is implementing our current situation, okay? So with the Five of Swords, this is telling me that we have been through such a time, and we all have, I'm sure, but the difference is we learned these lessons and we took the lessons with us and then changed our present situation or changed our future. Okay, because in our present situation we have the Four of Wands, and the Four of Wands is a card that talks about things stabilizing. This is a solid foundation. This is a happy home card. This is a card that talks about advancement, about solidifying your position within a group, solidifying your position within a company, solidifying your business, okay, the position of your business on the market or whatever it is for you. This is strengthening relationships. This is definitely moving to the next level. This is people moving in together. This is people talking about marriage. This is people getting married. People starting a family or talking about starting a family, okay? It's the what's next for us type of conversation that comes up with the Four of Wands. But it's a beautiful energy, okay? It's an energy of harmony. It's an energy of celebration. All right, and it has to do with the things, the people, the situations that we are emotionally linked to, okay, that are linked to what we feel is stability and security, okay? And again, that's going to be different things for all of us, okay? For some of us, we're thinking about money. For others, we're thinking about a relationship that gives us security. For others, we're thinking about a good relationship with our family that gives us security, okay? Different things. But this is the energy that is manifesting for us today, okay? This is the energy that we are experiencing today. And like I say, you should definitely see, first of all, progress, and also things calming down. You should actually feel more secure. You should feel more grounded, like the situation, whatever it is that you're dealing with, is more stable that you can trust it now. You can count on it, on a situation, on a person, on yourself, more than maybe you were able to do so in the past. This is a coronation of sorts, so some kind of celebration in your of your achievements. Okay, so you may be, like I say, welcomed into a new company, welcomed into a new social group, welcome into a new family even. Okay, but if you can see in the card, that's where we are. Okay, we have darkness, lava. Okay, we have a volcano underneath and everything, but the space in between the wands is our haven, is our safe haven. This is where we are today. We are feeling good. We are feeling secure. We are feeling stable. We are feeling blessed. We are feeling abundant. Okay, and again, abundance, different things for different people. Okay, it can be to do with feeling loved, it could be to do with having a great job, it could be to do with feeling fulfilled, feeling happy, feeling healthy. Whatever it is, this is the space that we're in this Monday, or this is the space that we're moving into, that we're walking into today, as a result of all the lessons that we have learned in the past, the difficult situations we have had to fight our way through. All of that was worth it. I feel like you're going to be able to look to the past and see a direct connection between, oh, remember when we've had to go through that situation and it was very difficult and we didn't know what was going to happen tomorrow. It was all worth it. This is where it took us. This is where that situation led us to. Okay, and then the energy that we're moving into tomorrow with is the energy of the Justice card. So again, this talks about balance. This talks about things finally turning around, things being fair. Okay, if we've had to struggle with situations or people where things were just not fair and we were treated in an unjust manner, we didn't get what we deserved, or we got what we didn't deserve, or just unfair, just an injustice in general. Okay, because again, this is a very broad term, injustice. It can mean different things. Anything to do with the legal system, anything that you've had to contest, anything that you've had to take someone to court for, or someone else has wrongfully taken you to court for. Things are calming down. Okay, things are becoming balanced. We're moving into an energy of balance, because that's what the Justice card is all about. Okay, we're moving into the energy of balance. And you see this sword, okay? That means we know what we want now. We know what we're willing to put up with and what we're not willing to put up with. We know what's fair and what's not fair. We know what we deserve and what we should not tolerate. Okay, and so because of everything we've been through, because of all these difficulties, now we're experiencing the safe haven when finally things are coming together and finally things are calming down. And we're already thinking about continuing in this energy for the future. So our mindset is focusing on keeping this balance, keeping this stability, okay, for a long time to come. And with the Justice card, it's a major arcana card, so this tells us that what we're doing now, where we are now, it's meant to be. We are on the right track. Even though maybe some of us don't see it just quite yet, keep doing what you're doing. Persevere, okay, with the Five of Swords. Persevere. If you're still in the energy of the Five of Swords, you know that this is coming, okay? You're going to see your safe haven. You're going to feel happy and secure for the first time in a long time. And you know that these changes that you're making are taking you into a balanced future, okay, where things are finally fair and you get the justice that is owed to you, okay? The guidance card we have for today, we have 56, relationship change. So I feel like this is really touching upon the energy of the Four of Wands that we spoke about earlier, where status changes for a lot of us. So relationships, first of all, yes, it definitely can talk about romantic relationships, but it can also talk about professional relationships, or the relationship we have with family and friends, or the relationship we have with ourselves, okay? Because 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, and again, that adds up to a 2. So again, there's this message of balance. So relationships in our lives of all kinds really are finally going to be balanced, because again, we are pursuing justice. We are moving forwards towards something that is fair for us, okay? And that is why the relationships in our lives are going to change at this time. This is also advice. Maybe we're holding on to something or someone that is not really supposed to be in our lives anymore. Maybe that situation, that relationship has served its purpose. You've learned the lessons you needed to, and now it's okay to let go of that and move forward in a different direction, in a better direction, because you know what you want now. For others, like I say, this is saying embrace the new that is coming, okay? Starting relationships today, moving in with your partner today, buying a new house today, getting married, talking about getting married, engagements, proposals, anything like that, talking about starting a family, okay? So your status changes from a couple to a family. In connection to your work life, promotions, again, the same energy as the Four of Wands. It talks about promotions. It talks about your position in the company is changing. It's becoming more solidified, okay? You are welcomed into a new team. So that status changes. You're going from unemployed to employed. You're going from someone who was on probation to a permanent employee. You're going from a support type role to a standalone role, a supervisor role, a manager role. So status changes for us today for the better. There's a lot of healing that is coming through. It will be a day of communication. There's going to be a lot of communication going back and forth. There's going to be good news that you're sending out, and there's going to be good news that you receive from other people. Good news about yourself, what you're doing, your relationships, your jobs, your health, and also good news coming from friends and family. Good news coming from your partner. Someone's pregnant. Good news coming from someone you care for very much. Someone in the family is getting married, or someone in the family is having a child. So I feel like things are finally calming down, okay? Things are finally moving into a place of harmony, balance, security. And again, it's not that it is just happening. It's directly linked to the fact that when we had to go through these struggles, we paid attention, we endured, we kept going, and then we remembered. We took those lessons with us and did something about it. We took those lessons and applied them to change our situation. Okay, it could have been a small change that led to bigger changes. It could have been a small baby step that in time turned your whole life around for the better. Okay, and it took you to your safe haven. It took you to what you were hoping for: good health, good relationship, good job, good interaction with family and friends, a good relationship with yourself. Anything really that you think of when I say safe haven, when I say security and stability, okay? So we're moving into this energy, like I say, because we paid attention, we endured, didn't give up, didn't lose hope, and took the lessons and applied them to change our lives, okay? So it should be a really beautiful day. I look forward to your comments. Please let me know how it's going for you. Let me know if the reading makes sense, how it applies to your situation, if it does. Thank you so much for all your support, for being here with me, for subscribing to my channel, for liking my videos, sharing my videos with whoever you think may benefit from them. Just showing up and being interested in what I do. Okay, so thank you so much for all the support you send my way each and every single day, and I hope that my readings help you in some way. And like I say, I hope we have a fantastic day. Hopefully you have this message nice and early so that you can make sense of it nice and early and be prepared for Monday. And I'll talk to you tomorrow or Tuesday. Take care.